Okay, so now we're going to move on to some other problems. We have this problem, which you should have on your computer because we printed out the notes page. And this is problem number 5. This side is 32, this side is x. When you stick our little person wherever you see the angle. Now, for that first, we got to label the sides. So, opposite our little person is over here. We know where the hypotenuse is. It's always across from the 90-degree angle. And this side is adjacent because it's the leftover side. It's not the hypotenuse and it's not the opposite. So, it's also next to our little person. So we look at what we're given. We're given the x, which is opposite. We're given the 32, which is adjacent. And then we look down over here. Which trig function has opposite and adjacent? This one. Tangent has opposite and adjacent. Just like what we're given, opposite and adjacent. So we write tangent of 41 equals tangent of 41 equals opposite, which is x, over adjacent, which is 32. Now, to solve for x, we have to multiply by 32 to get rid of the division of 32. We undo division by multiplying. And then whatever we do on one side of the equal sign, we do the same thing on the other. Multiply that side by 32. These cancel out and you get x equals 32 times tangent 41. So my x, let's see what it's going to be. It should be 32 times 41 tangent equals 27.8. Well, let's go back over here. 27.8 x equals, and that's the length of that side. We can also do something similar with this. We put our little person right here and label our sides. Which side's opposite our person? Well, over here. Which side's the hypotenuse? Over here. Which side's the adjacent? Over here. Let's look what we're given. We are given the hypotenuse of 26, the adjacent side of x, so hypotenuse and adjacent. I think it might be that one. That one. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So what you do, you always take a cosine of an angle. So cosine 21 equals adjacent, that's going to be x, over hypotenuse, which is 26. Okay? Now, to get the 26 off the bottom, we do the same thing we did over there, which is multiply by 26. We multiply by 26 over here. These cancel. You get x equals 26 times cosine 21. Let's see what our x equals. We've got 26 times 21 cosine equals 24.3. So x equals 24.3. Now, you could do that on here. If you have a normal calculator, the order changes. So 26 times cosine of 21 equals 24.3. So it's the same thing, it's just you have to know how to enter it.